Welcome to Basic Language Learning. This course teaches you the different elements of a sentence. This is Lesson 1, Subject, Verb, Object. Once you are done with this lesson, you should be able to know the structure of a sentence, know how to identify subject, verb, object, and use this knowledge in future lessons. What is a sentence? Now, a sentence is a set of words that is complete within itself. I want you to remember that. It is complete within itself. Today we will learn what makes it complete. And a sentence will always have a main clause. If there is no main clause, it's not a sentence. So, I told you I'm going to teach you the different elements of a sentence. And in a sentence, we have a subject, a verb, and an object. Exactly what we're dealing with today. Now, the subject is what the sentence is about. The verb is what is happening in the sentence. And the object is the person or thing affected by these first two. So the object is affected by whatever the subject is doing. And together, these will make the basic building blocks of a sentence. So let's look at a few examples. She drinks milk. She is the subject because it's about her, the whole sentence. Drinks is the verb, what she is currently doing. Milk is the object, what is being affected by her drinking the milk. So, let's try a bit more of a difficult example. Mary and John build a strong boxcar, and the Smith twins play football and rugby. So what I want you to do now is to grab a pen and paper and to write these sentences down. Leave a bit of space in between the two of them and see if you can circle the subject, underline the verb, and highlight the object for both sentences. I'll give you a second to figure that out. Pause this video if you need to. Right, I hope you paused the video if you needed a bit more time. But let's look at these examples together. So remember, I wanted you to circle the subject, underline the verb, and highlight the object. So let's see how you did. In the first sentence, Mary and John are your subject. Yes, both of them, because the sentence is about both of them. Build is your verb because that's what they are doing. And a strong boxcar is your object. Yes, that entire phrase is your object. If you're not exactly sure what a phrase is yet, don't worry. There will be a lesson on that in a later course. But for now, I want you to know that it's not just a boxcar in the sentence. It's a strong boxcar. The next one, the Smith twins. They're our subject because it's both of them. Both of them are playing. That's why it's the verb. So play is your verb. And then they are playing both football and rugby. So that is your object. I hope you got both of these right. So what I want you to do now with that piece of pen and paper is to perhaps go through this video again. And then I want you to write down these 3 examples and try to once again circle the subject, underline the verb, and highlight the object with all 3 of these sentences.